let's try number 34 and 10.3. So, what did you guys do first?
Distribute it.
Distribute. Okay, so, oh, also I made some suggestion about parentheses, right? Why did I suggest the parentheses? Did that help some of you?
So you don't lose the negative?
Yeah, one, you don't want to lose the negative, and some of you had some troubles with whether you were supposed to add or subtract or whatever once you multiplied through. So, what do I get in the first term? You all did this. I know most of you did it right. You got 3.
And then you can do the times -1.
Cube root of 24. What did I lose?
Oh, wait. No,
Unless you're
wait.
negative.
Negative.
We just did an extra step,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, so some of you probably wrote 3 cube root of 4 times negative cube root of 6,
Yeah.
right? And then you pull the negative out, put it with the 3, and then this would be 4 times 6.
So you can be here.
Okay? In our second term, we have
Negative 2, so it's going to make you better.
okay, so there's a
I don't know.
negative,
Right.
is a
Positive.
positive,
2.
and then there's a 2 cube root of
54.
54. Is this not quite the way you guys did this?
It was.
We ended up getting that.
Yeah, we just did a few extra steps to like visually see everything.
Okay. Do you think I should do them more steps? Would that be helpful?
I mean,
Or you-
I understand it for this problem.
Okay. So since we're here, then what?
Then you figure out your cubes under each.
Yeah, so I might factor tree these out, or I might think to myself, do I know that 24 has something cubed in it as a factor?
8.
8. So I might say, okay, this is negative 3 cube root of 8 times the cube root of
3.
3. So this is one way. Maybe not the way you chose. The other way would be to look at like 54, say, and think to myself, okay, this is
27.
9 times 6, right? Is 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. So there's a triple, right? Triple. And so that means you're going to get here plus what?
2.
2 times
3.
3 times
Cube root.
cube root of
2.
2. Yeah? So that's 2 different thought processes, right? They'll get you to the same place. So you'll get negative 6 cube root of 3 plus 6 cube root of 2. And then we're done. A lot of you probably were trying to stick these together, right? Can you explain to me why these don't stick together?
Because the cube roots aren't the same.
They're not exact like.
Yeah, this thing, right, the cube root part would have to be exactly the same for me to think about this as counting how many of these are and how many of those are, right? This is just, you've got 6 anti-apples and 6 oranges, right? They don't cancel or anything, you can't put them together. Cool? Questions? Everybody got there in the end, I think? Or most of the way there? Okay.